This is the review and unboxing of a mini LCD projector by Apemen, coming right up. What's up everybody, my name is Sean, welcome to my tech channel. If this is the first time you're stopping by and you enjoy tech content like this, you might want to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification so you won't miss my future videos. Full disclosure, this was sent to me by Apemen for review, but I'm not being paid to review this product. So as always, my goal is to be honest and unbiased when I'm going to give you my pros and cons about this projector. With every projector, we primarily care about the video quality, which includes its brightness and sharpness, and then the sound and features that we get out of it. Let's get to it. So the unboxing is pretty straightforward. First, when you open it up, you have some literature, owner's manual and things like that, and then you will see the unit itself. So in the accessory box, you have your remote control, power cable, HDMI, and an AV cable. When you look at the units, on the left side, you have your USB port, a couple of HDMI ports, micro SD card, AV, and a headphone jack. In the back, you have your VGA port, and on this side, you have your power port and an exhaust fan. In the front, you have the lens. On the top, you have your menu buttons, as well as your focus ring and keystone adjustment ring. So every time you have your projector at an angle, whether you're projecting up and you have it on a ceiling and you're projecting down, the image will be a little bit crooked depending on which way you're pointing it. And the keystone slider will actually let you adjust it to a perfect rectangle. This projector has 4,500 lumens and the resolution is 1280 by 720. They do say on their site this is not suitable for any kind of professional presentation. Basically anything that it has any fonts or writing in it, this may not be ideal. That typically is true for any HD projector. You need full HD, which is 1920 by 1080 instead of 1280 by 720. On the other hand, this resolution is perfectly fine if you're watching movies or playing games. I tested this with the lights on and off, and surprisingly enough, I was able to get very usable footage out of this. Full disclosure, I took the lazy way out and I just tested this projector on this wood panel wall, which is the worst thing you can do. It is not smooth, it is very dark, and it's glossy, so it's just the worst of the worst that you can get. But I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like with the lights on and off to kind of get a sense for its brightness. Now, how does this compare to a really monster projector I reviewed a couple months ago? This is the XPE 660 by Cronova. This sells for I think about 170 bucks. This is about $100, so it's near double the price. This is 4,500 lumens, 5,000 lumens, so it's a little bit brighter, and I'm gonna put it side by side so you guys can check it out. As you can see, when you compare them side by side, the XPE 660 by Cronova definitely seems brighter, and the specs suggest that as well. But the question is, $100 versus $170, that much brighter image, is it worth an additional $70 or so? Also, the other advantage of this compared to this larger projector is its size, weight, and portability. This is really heavy. Like, I mean, I can do some curls with this thing. This, on the other hand, is very light and portable. Sound quality is basically what you would expect. It is okay if you're just watching movies. It will get the job done. It does get loud, so it definitely does not lack in volume. As a matter of fact, it gets so loud that the sound will get distorted if you get anything past maybe 70 or so on the 0 to 100 scale. When there is no audio, the fan noise on this Apemen, it is louder than the XPE 660. Let's take a listen. To some, maybe that's a non-event, but to some, that could be a little bit annoying, but I'll let you guys be the judge of that. At the end of the day, for 100 bucks, is this worth it? Let's review the pros and cons. Pros are, this is light, this is small, and this is cheap for what you get. 100 bucks for an HD LCD projector at 4500 lumens, which you can use even with the lights on. Now, what are some of the things I don't like about this? It's the keystone slider. This typically is a common problem for most projectors. Every time you're trying to use the keystone slider to really adjust the image to get that perfect rectangle that you are looking for, you lose focus either at the top, middle, or bottom of the screen. So what I do recommend is pick just the center line in the screen and trying to focus on that image. Then the out of focus or slight blur that you get at the top and bottom, it's not going to be that noticeable, especially if you're going to watch a movie. The other thing is, I wish these buttons were backlit or had a different color writing on them so you could see. Even with the lights on, I'm having a hard time to kind of see what these writings are on these buttons. And the last piece is, I wish they would include a simple carrying bag with this. At the end of the day, this is a mini portable projector, and I think if they would include a small pouch, it will be really nice. So at the end of the day, is it worth 100 bucks? Well, it's subjective, depends on your budget and what quality you're looking for. If you can spend 170 bucks, definitely get the Cronova XPE 660. But if you only have 100 bucks and you always wanted to have a projector in your house, I think this is a nice piece. I know this was a really short video, but if I missed any of the features or if you got any questions I didn't cover, please comment down below and I will do the best to try to answer them. As always, I will put my affiliated links to all these products and the gears that I use down in the description below. If you like this video, please give it a like. It would really help my channel a lot, and I will see you in the next one. I'm thinking of a cool ending. I can figure out what I want to do. You're still watching? If you are still watching, my birthday's coming up and my wife just got me these sick audio gears and I cannot wait to unbox and start using them. That's all I got for now.